Illustration deals with storage and portable immersion type pools. In accordance with NEC 680.35A through G. Now, the purpose of the change was to provide a new section, and the new section has been added to address the requirements for storageable and portable immersion type pools. Now, in doing this, then let's kind of review the called out information. So if we look at the pool to the left, then notice it's storageable and portable immersion type pools by 680.35. Next, you can see that it's 120 amp GFCI protected receptacle in accordance with 680.35A. It's a 3-wire cord. It's 6 foot to 15 foot in length in accordance with 680.35A. You have a portable filter. It's double insulated in accordance with 680.35, reviewing that call out. And then notice heater 2, if you look at the heater in the arrow pointing, and it's 20 amps or less at 120 volt, maybe 30 amps or less at 250 volts, again, per 680.35C. And again, the user is reminded to review 680.35A as in apple through G as in great very carefully. Now you notice you have a receptacle there that's located there that we'll review when we get into the note 2. But notice you could have a cord and plug connected cord, as you see here in the boxed in information with the dots there and the dashes. And notice within 12 inches you could have an attachment plug or cord with a GFCI protected type scheme in accordance with 680.35C as in car. And then notice the heater could even be one phase with its heating elements, 240 volt, one phase. Now, after reviewing that, let's take a look at the notes. And note 1 says, auto equipment except low voltage should be installed at least 6 feet from the inside wall of the pool as required by 680.35D as in dog. Now, note 2, we're referring to that receptacle I just called out previously, and receptacles at 250 volts, 30 amps or less, located within 20 foot of the pool shall comply with 680.32 and 680.34. The note 3 deals with switches, and they shall be located at least 5 feet from the inside wall of a pool, except with equipment that's outlined in 690.35F. When we review the note 4, it talks about luminaires and so forth, and they shall be located at least 10 feet diagonally, and ceiling fans operating greater than low voltage contact limited from the rim of the storage or emergency pool is outlined in 680.35E as in ed. Then the note 5. For similar requirements, see the permanently installed immersion type pools per 680.45A through D as in dog in the 2020 NEC. Now, this kind of highlights now this new section and the requirements that are listed in this section for such pools.